Hello and welcome to the European Open Briefing for Wednesday, March the 6th. This is Marios Hadjikyriakos, investment analyst at XM, and we're going to be looking at the latest developments in the financial markets today. Let's begin with the main event today, which will be the Bank of Canada rate decision. No action is expected, and since there is no press conference by Governor Paulos either, investors will focus on the language of the accompanying statement. There has been a major repricing of rate hike expectations recently, with markets now seeing no chance for a hike this year, as opposed to roughly a 50% probability for a hike just a few weeks ago. This shift came mainly after the nation's GDP data for Q4 disappointed recently, which sparked speculation that the Bank of Canada could follow the Fed and pause rate increases. While the bank could do that later on, it seems a little early to signal as much today. It's a bit exaggerated to expect the BoC to completely change course on a single disappointing dataset, and especially from a quarter where growth was weak globally, and also considering that 2019 data have been solid so far. Therefore, if the bank retains some optimism today and keeps a future hike on the table, that may come as a hawkish surprise and could help the loonie to recover. Turning to the broader market, the US dollar was the main winner on Tuesday, posting gains for the fifth consecutive session. Now, the latest leg higher came after the ISM non-manufacturing PMI for February rose by more than expected, calming some fears around the health of the US economy. Elsewhere, the Australian dollar fell to two-month lows earlier today after Australia's GDP for Q4 missed forecasts. The disappointment pushed the market probability for a rate cut by the Reserve Bank of Australia much higher, to the point where a rate cut this year is now more than fully priced in, which means that investors also see a small probability for a second cut before year end. Now, as far as today is concerned, besides the Bank of Canada rate decision, we will also get the ADP employment data out of the US, and we will also hear from the influential president of the New York Fed. A few hours later, during the early Asian session on Thursday, the focus will turn to Australia's retail sales for February. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.